Hi everyone, in this video for grade 6 we have unit 8.1, which is about angle relationships, on page 164 on the book. In the angle relationships, in this video we talk about vertical angles, complementary angles and supplementary angles. For each one of them we have some properties to know and some ways to solve to find the missing angles. For the complementary and supplementary, we'll talk about them now. Vertical angles, whenever we have two lines, they cross each other, they intersect each other like these two black lines. They will make four angles, A, B, C, D. These are the angles, like them, and these two red A, B. Vertical angles, we mean those angles which are opposite to each other. Two angles, for example, angle A composed of these two lines, this line, so just like that, looks to this side. Angle A goes to this side. Angle B, it's just like that, it made from these two lines. This one looks to there. Angle B, angle A. Angle D looks up, angle C looks down. Those angles which are opposite to each other, opposite, like C looks down, D looks up, they are opposite to each other. These two are vertical angles. So the vertical angles in these two lines, angle C and angle D, this is the sign for angle. C and D, they are vertical angles. What else? We can say D and C, same. C and D, D and C, same. A and B, they are looking to each other, they are opposite to each other. Angle A and angle B. We have these two pairs of angles. C is vertical to D, or C and D are vertical angles. A and B are vertical angles, opposite angles. That's about vertical angles. Then we come to the complementary angles. Complementary angles, we mean two angles, like here we have two angles, angle C, angle 65. This one is given, this one we don't know how much is it. But for the complementary angles, always the addition of them, the sum of these two must be equal to 90 degrees. Whenever you hear about complementary angles, it means it's two angles. When you add them, equals 90 degrees. This is the rule for them. It must be equal to 90. For the supplementary, it's on a straight line, 70 plus A, these two angles together. Always when you hear about supplementary, it means they are 180 degrees together. To find C, C is how much? We say angle C plus angle 65, because they are complementary and the question tells you they are complementary. When you hear about complementary, you know that they are 90 together. C equals 90 minus 65, and 90 minus 65 is 25. So angle C is 25 degrees. Both of them together, 25 and 65 together, it would be 90 degrees. So they are complementary. For the supplementary angles, we said it must be 180 degrees both together. We know this one is 70, this one is A. A, we don't know how much is it, but because we know they are supplementary, we can find it. A plus 70 must be 180. Why? Because they are supplementary and the question tells us. A equals 180 minus 70. 180 minus 70 is 110. 110 degrees. So this side is 110, this side is 70. Both of them together, the addition of both of them together is 180. Because this one is supplementary, we know it's 180. It's on a straight line, straight angle. This one is right angle, both together, C and 65. which we found C is 25 degrees. And for the vertical angles, we just know which one and which would be vertical angles together. That's how we decide vertical angles. That's how we find complementary angles, supplementary angles. That's all about this section. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.